In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the online manipulative thing with the centimeter cubes. So I'll just share my screen so that you can see what I can see. And I've got a split screen here. Okay, so you can kind of see the examples here of what we just looked at. But so to build it, so we're going to build the front layer. So we're going to put 6. And so we put this plus sign, we make sure it's yellow. You can pick whatever color. You can make it pretty if you want. But basically, you just yeah, you just click in it and it builds a new one on there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now we've got 6, and every time you click, even though you want to move it, it's going to go. So if you want to just move it, click this little like whatever you want to call that target thing. You can flip it around, and then you can just whatever. It doesn't have to be all different colors. You can just whoops. You put one that you didn't want, get this hammer and click. Super easy to use it. You just have to remember to re-click, and then there we go. Okay, so I built that object, and then I can count them. So that's the basics of it. If you wanted to do the more difficult one, I can see here, there it is. If I want to reset, I just press the trash. There's 1. Okay, so I want to do the U shape here. So, oh, I need the plus sign. That's why it wasn't working. Boom, boom, boom. All right, now I can flip it. There we go. I wasn't planning on doing it this direction, but that works. Okay, so there's 1, and then we just need to do 4 layers of that. So I'm going to put it like this, and then I'm just going to attach them. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. There's 1 layer. So we have 2 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. And we've built it. It's kind of fun to play around with. And yeah, but you could just, if you have blocks at home that are squares, perfect. They can be any size. And or you could build it on Minecraft. That sounds like fun. That's probably something we would do at school if we could. But yeah, so hopefully that all makes sense. And yeah, have fun.